Hey, you guys, we are back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. Now, a lot of people said they was actually able to get approved. Someone said they was able to get approved and their card should arrive in 2 to 3 weeks. Someone else said they was able to get approved for the Capital One Secured Credit Card. I got the Credit One Capital One for the first time. My credit score is 621. Somebody said they got a $200 limit, but they want to know how much they should spend and pay back each month, which I just say spend as much as you want, but pay your statement balance by the due date to make sure you don't get charged any interest. I didn't have bad credit, no credit because I paid for cash. So they didn't have any credit at all. They was approved for $200. And their credit score went from 0 to 600 plus on Experian. So I think they should get 2 more to mainly build their credit, which is true. Get at least 4 credit cards to really start building your credit. But yeah, this one is the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. I definitely do like this card for those people that's looking to build their credit. I did talk about this ever since I started even giving out suggestions on people building their credit, because this one have different options. So depending on your credit, they may tell you to put a $49 deposit down, but they're still going to give you a $200 credit card. They may even tell you to put $99 down, or they may ask for the full $200. But no matter what you put down, you're still going to get a $200 credit card in the mail, which is really good. And the reason why it's good is depending on your credit score, they may tell you to put less down because they trust you a little bit more. So all that is just trust. If they don't trust you to pay it back, then they're going to tell you, hey, we need the full $200 before we send you a $200 credit card. And this one does not have any monthly fee at all, and you're going to qualify for automatic credit increase in as little as 6 months. What I suggest is any negative accounts you got on your credit report, definitely look into my exclusive credit membership. Work on removing those accounts. These are actual accounts being deleted, results from my clients. That's a part of my exclusive credit membership. Work on removing any negative accounts that you have. Make sure you're not getting too many inquiries. Make sure that your utilization on all of your credit cards, even your Capital One, is great. I like to keep it at 5% or below, especially when you're applying for credit. If you're not applying for credit, then you can do the basically paying your statement balance by the due date. But in your case, you're trying to get this one to graduate to an unsecured card. So you want to make sure you keep your utilization at like 5% or below. So yeah, you can max it out, spend a full 200, but you better make sure that you pay your statement balance no matter what. And then if you pay your statement balance, maybe it was only $150, then once you pay that statement balance, you'll be good. But say if you pay your statement balance, but your full on balance is still $199, so you're still going to be left with having $49 on your account, then you need to make sure you pay that down. So you shouldn't have more than a balance of $10 on this account every month. But say if you only got a $10 balance and you're like, oh, Rickita, so I can have a $10 balance, you better still make sure you pay your minimum payment. So make sure all your credit cards are set up on minimum payment, that they'll take out the minimum payment. And I say usually a few days before the due date. Now your credit limit is not your credit limit is not going to be between $49 and $200. I actually have to go in there and correct that. It's going to only be $200, and the credit limit is not going to be based on how much you deposit into the account. It's going to be $200, period. So I have to edit this. This is an error on my end, so I'm sorry about that. When you pre-qualify for the credit card, you're not going to get a hard inquiry. So they can tell you yes or no on whether or not they can give you the credit card without a hard inquiry, but they will pull all 3 credit bureaus to approve you. I don't know why Capital One do that, but they pull in all 3 credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. But you can start building credit faster because they are going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. This is the different payment options that I have for my exclusive credit membership. And this is credit 101 for those people that don't know much about credit. Maybe you're 18, 19, your family did not talk about credit, or just shoot. When I did this, you guys, I had to learn so much, dig deeper into certain things just to talk about the topic. I learned so much by doing this course. I really appreciate taking that time to do it. It's 206 episodes. So, I spent majority of the year getting it done because I post at least 1 video per day. I spent a lot of time getting this done. You're going to see like the differences of me, like where I just didn't want to show up. I look a mess, but I'm still there to show up and give you the information. So I definitely do like this course. It's over 40 different downloads. downloadable guides and checklists, worksheet, dispute letters. So definitely check this out for sure. And I always like to find similar cards to the Capital One Platinum Secure card. So some similar cards will be the Credit Builder card. And I say the Credit Builder card because it's a credit card where you can get in no matter what. It's a $200 limit, just like this one is a $200 limit. And so is the Self too. No credit check for either of these at all. They're going to send you a $200 credit card in the mail. With these two, you know you're putting down $200. With that Capital One Platinum Secure, maybe they'll allow you to put down $49 or $99. I also got on here the Kickoff account. This can be a great comparison. The Kickoff account, because they're going to report to the credit bureau. Is great for those people that's looking to build their credit, but I still would prefer if you guys actually get actual credit cards, because at the end of the day, the Kickoff charge $5 per month minimum, $20 for certain accounts, and that is $60 per month annual fee, or $240 if you're paying $20 per month. So I still would suggest these two. Capital One Platinum can also be compared to, and you'll find those in these lists here. So these are my credit card reviews, different lists that I have. Look right here with the best credit cards to build credit, because I talk about the Navy Federal and I also talk about the Discover Is Secure card. They're comparable to that too. But if you're looking to build your credit, this would be the best list for you. If you're looking for the best credit cards for gas, you want rewards on your gas, you want discounted gas, definitely check out this list. Rewards, cash back, travel, the best credit cards in general, students, bad credit, and pre-qualified with no hard inquiry. I still love this list here, pre-qualified with no hard inquiry. But those credit cards that I truly love, the accounts that I truly love, definitely check out this list here, the best credit cards in general. So definitely check out that list. For those people that got negative accounts, you trying to get the Capital One Platinum because you got negative accounts, you probably need to work on disputing those accounts and getting them removed from your credit reports. And what you have to do is you have to send a letter to all 3 credit bureaus or wherever that account is being reported or accounts are being reported, and you have to send in letters for them. But we're able to do 6 months of free letters for you, or we'll actually email you, and all you have to do is print those letters and mail them out certified on your end. We're able to do that on our end too. Just ask. Your last step is to call us. So you'll call 833 Rickita basically. So you'll do step 1 through 5. The last one is to call us and be honest, say, hey, I'm not going to be able to mail out these letters, and we can figure out what you can be able to do. But no matter what, you guys, I do suggest you guys send out certified letters no matter what. Do not just mail just regular letters with just a stamp. You're not going to get the best results that way. Okay, so I do suggest you do certified mail. And also I have, again, my exclusive credit membership. Definitely look into doing that. It's a dollar trial for the membership, and it's so much in that membership. I really took a lot of time to do that membership. I'm still going to be doing even more revamping in the membership, especially with me suing the credit bureaus and suing all these different companies. I want to continue to add information in there because I just think that everybody should sue, honestly. Now, my question, because I like to ask a question. So my question to you all is, what credit cards do you have now, especially if you're on the building stage, or how many do you have? Now, I have like over 15 different credit cards, maybe even over 20 at this point. And it was just me applying for credit cards for y'all, honestly. It was me applying, trying to see which bureau they're going to pull, or just trying out different credit cards. Like I got the Michelin, just trying it out for you guys, because I was just like, I don't know about the Michelin cards, and people's like, Michelin is amazing. I'm like, I can't personally vouch for it until I test it out. And Michelin is amazing, but I have so many different credit cards trying it out. So let me know how many credit cards you all have, and let me know like what's your experience, like what's your favorite credit card out of all of them. And if I say what's my favorite credit card out of all of them right now, just right in this period for like the next few months, I'm back into couponing. It's gonna have to be my Walgreens credit card, because I get so much stuff for free, y'all. I'm telling you. I may do another video about how much stuff I have, and maybe even show you guys like what I got, what I pay for it, like toothpaste, mouthwash, tissue, all that stuff free, detergent, lotion, soaps. Like my son like the Axe and the Old Spice. I like the Olays and stuff like that. Even my daughter. So I love going to them and getting Charmin toilet paper, Bounty paper towels, all these different things. I love them. So right now I love my Walgreens credit card, and they just allowed us to put it onto our Apple Pay, which is amazing too. So let me know what's your favorite card, and then also how many credit cards you guys have. If you have any questions, call us at 833 Rickita. Me and my team will be happy to help you all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.